Ray, Batty boy, come move the car and see if we not fully up a shot and back him gone.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, Shaka Demos from the duo Shaka Demos and Players is speaking out today after a most recent encounter that he had with a taxi operator. The entertainer explains in the video that he loves Jamaica and there is no place like Jamaica to him, but there is a whole lot of idiot thing we are going in the island that needs to change. Now viewers, I have the video that was sent to me and I'm going to make you take a listen to what the veteran entertainer is saying right here.
Respect every time. Shaka Demos again, yeah? Me a man, me love Jamaica to my heart. So me I say, no place in the world, me go me tour the whole world. So me I say, and no way, me no love no way in the world like me love Jamaica. So me I say, watch this. Enough look at idiot thing are going to Jamaica right now. Right now. Yesterday, I did one plaza in a Portmore. Drive my car, boom, when I look to see a taxi, block up the driveway. I go so boom, pop, blow the horn. Car now, make no movements. I go so beep beep. See a man come out of the car, out of the taxi, the driver himself come out. Ray, Batty boy, come move the car and see if we not fully up a shot and back him gone. Batty boy, you want to come move it and see if we not fully up a shot. I want to let a little rasta pass and I say, don't say nothing to him. Because the ras come like him sister, the boy, he come out of the car with the gun and man to kill me. No, tell me something. If you block up the driveway, I may ask you if you just move your car. That's become pass. Tell me something. Is it right for you come out of your car with your gun in your hand and say you're going to fool me up a shot? Eh? The people, what is wrong with us? Eh? Cut it, man.
Now viewers, my take on this whole thing is this. Not every encounter have to end in violence or badmanship and gun not have to draw for every situation. Now, if it actually went as the way in which Shaka Demos say it go, when just simply unk him on and the man come out and back him gun, that is total nonsense. Because the truth of the matter is, my brother, if you actually block up the way for real and the man just simply unk him on, forget you if you come out of the way, just simply move your vehicle out of the way and we get a lot of complaints about uno taxi operators for true. And a one, and a two, and a three, a whole heap of complaints come from motorists on the road pertaining to uno taxi operators. See, and some of you know uno wrong and still want to shove badness too. That is not right. Something needs to be done. Plain and simple. Now, I'm glad say it never escalate and reach further than where it reach. And I'm glad say Shaka Demos is alright. Now viewers, start me down below in the comment section. Let me know how you think about this whole situation. See, and have you ever had a run-in with a taxi operator in a Jamaica too? Talk to me down below. Let me know. See, now moving on from Shaka Demos topic. The other day, a young lady spoke out about, the artists were already established not giving young upcoming talent a break in the music. And it seems like she's not the only one who feels that way. As Jafiet sent in a video saying, listen, he want to send this message out there because him get to realize say the St. Thomas artists them were established. Now do nothing for the upcoming artists them from St. Thomas. And this right here is what Jafiet has to say.
Greetings, my nation, my people over the world. Yeah, man. I have a message, and this message I respond me for a decade now, a couple years well back. You know what I mean? If you know that, the artists them in a St. Thomas, then I do nothing. For none of the youth them up there, we have talent. Zin, even some of the youth them a write song give them. Them even bust them youth there. You know what I mean? And it's a shame. If you know that, we look up to them artists there in a St. Thomas. And then I look up to the younger youth them where have talent and in a poverty. Like them don't remember where they coming from. And me I go call some name because I don't care. Because, you know what I mean? I respect every man same way. But if it hurt a man or so, me I start off. Look for Taurus Riley. Taurus Riley. In a bus, no youth at St. Thomas. And enough youth a lethal a good artist. Taurus Riley used to drive on the back road. Go down and baby mother. A foot. See, and in a bus, no artist from St. Thomas. Zine no carry no artist gone away from St. Thomas with them. Yeah, right. Bushman. Even Bushman a bus, no artist. Zine, even look for Ilo a good artist and Bushman no even bus. Ilo, round there. You know what I mean? And carry on. Zine, me a artist and none of them never call Jaffiet and make Jaffiet do a song for none of them rhythm. Them never do a collaboration with me. Zine, back in the days, Beanie Man come on Courts Road Show and call me up in the crowd. Because people will say, call up Jaffiet, and him call me up. And on the stage, me and him do a collab on the stage. Well, me never carry on with Beanie Man. I respect him for that. Look on Bounty, how much you disrespect Bounty, and Bounty still free them up. Make them turn big artists out there. See, Popcorn, you know, do nothing for St. Thomas youth them neither. Some good artists out there. You see it. And then, watch her again. Beru a good artist. Then I even bust them youth there. Because we not afraid to call him, you know, because you don't know a Jaffe at this. You see? But where the point me I look upon? Them for bust some of the young youth them. Bust some of the young youth them. They can't bust again. They only can get bigger. And if them bust some of the young youth them can get more bigger by collab with some of the young artists them. You know, see it? The youth them in poverty. They only want to give the youth them around them $5 bills and $1,000. Like, that can't help the youth them and them family because the youth them got their family. Me, live at Ocho and call Bushman and say, yo, me that IRFM. Send me a credit. And he send me credit. His wife send me credit. And me call him as Rod Mushet come out of the studio and make him talk to Bushman. Bushman start get play on IRFM. Interview. So you see, and I'm not a boss artist. So you see, if me did that, if they give me a chance and do 2 songs with me and give me a fame out there, take me run with them pan tour, it would have been so nice. For real. You know what I mean? But my point is, St. Thomas artists them, Prophecy and the whole of them, they don't bust no youth. Enough youth around there will respect them and rate them. You know, see it. But them go and give them $5 bills and $1,000. And that's my message. Bust the youth them. Yeah, bust the youth them. Put the youth them out there, make the youth them can help them poor people too. Zine, because you can't bust again, you know. No bust already, you know, can get richer and bigger. Yeah, man. And my message that, blessed. No hard feelings to no one. Seeing? Blessed love. Yeah, man. A true man. Yeah, man. Blessed love.
Now, Jaffiet, big up yourself, my family. We hear what you say, and I understand what you say, Jaffiet. But, just like I said in the last video from that young lady who said the artists, them who established nah boss no artists, I'm going to say the same thing to you, Jaffiet. In my opinion, I feel like it's an established artist responsibility to boss an upcoming artist. Yes, it's alright if an established artist want to do some collaboration with an upcoming artist and give them a little spotlight and a little limelight. Yeah, me understand the part there, me agree with the part there. But when you're going to use the word boss an artist, no, I feel like it's any established artist responsibility to boss an artist. It's you as the artist, it's your talent. We're supposed to boss you. It's your talent we're supposed to make you get discovered by a producer or a label or somebody who can actually put you out there. Now, if an established artist decides that he wants to make you in responsibility, that's a personal choice. But me not feel like no young upcoming artist supposed to feel entitled that an artist who make it supposed to give you a shine. Just my personal opinion still. But viewers, start me down below in the comment section. If you agree with me, let me know. If you disagree with me, let me know same way in the comment section. But I love to get phone feedback. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.